Okay, here we go, last page. All right, so we're going to do some division here. So remember, when a division problem is written out linearly like this, we're going to put the first number in the house and the second number outside the house, and when we've got our decimal point in the house, we raise it to the roof. So here we go. We're going to put 0 and 972 thousandths in the house, divided by 2. Raise that decimal point to the roof. 2 goes into 0, 0 times. 2 goes into 9, 4 times. Multiply, 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down, 17. 2 goes into 17, 8 times. 8 times 2 is 16. Subtract, subtract is 1. Bring down our 2. And finally 2 goes into 12, 6 times. So our answer here is 0 and 482 thousandths. All right, next problem. We've got a 2-digit divisor there. We're dividing into 3 and 825 thousandths, and we're dividing by 15 there. Raise that decimal point to the roof. 15 can't go into 3. We'll put a 0 there to hold that place. 15 divides into 38 twice, which will give us 15 times 2 is 30. Subtract, we get 8. Bring down our 2. 15 divides into 82. Let's see, I think that's going to be about 6 times. Let me check my math here. Five times. All right. 5 times 15 is going to give us 75. We'll do our subtraction there, and we're going to have 7 left over. 5 from 12 gives us 7. 7 from 7 gives us 0. Bring down, and the nice thing is we already know that 15 divides into 75 5 times because we had to figure that out last time. All right, you can get 0 there. So our answer is 0 and 255 thousandths. All right, a little bit of problem solving here. Jessica ran 13 2/10 miles. If she ran for 3 hours, how many miles did she run per hour? Anytime you see that word per, you know you're going to be dealing with a division problem. Okay, so here we go. We want to take our 13 2/10 miles, and we want to divide it by the number of hours she ran. So we find out how many miles she ran each hour. All right, and this actually, when you see this word per, it actually sets the problem up for you. It tells you that you need to take the miles she ran and divide it by the hours. Okay, so here we go. Raise the roof with a decimal point. 3 divides into 13 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract and get 1. Bring down my 2. And then 3 divides into 12 exactly 4 times. Subtract, get my 0. And so she ran 4.4 miles per hour. Alrighty, so that's the study guide. Go ahead and go over things that you missed and ask any questions you need to ask, and then we'll be taking the test soon when I see you in class.